Okay. Abbreviated by replacing any number of non-adjacent, non-empty substrings with their length. The length should not have leading zeros. For example, a string such as a substitution could be abbreviated but not limited to, so on and so forth. These are valid. These are invalid. All right. Okay. So a substring is a contiguous, non-empty sequence of characters within a string, right? So given the word internationalization, we can abbreviate it as I12IZ4N. And then the word internet, and then we're gonna have Apple, and our abbreviation is A2E. That doesn't correspond. Okay. So then what our goal is to our goal is to check if we can create a word from the if we create the word from the abbreviation, right? What kind of questions will we ask? Questions. Can we guarantee both string and word are not null? Guarantee. Keyboard's janky. Can we guarantee word and I assume we return false. I assume we return false if I would assume we return false if either is null and the other isn't, right? And here we're just comparing two strings, right? We can't have leading zeros. Will the abbreviation fit in an integer? Or do I need to any other numbers? Can we assume this is all ASCII characters or lowercase, uppercase? An approach. So here we have two strings. We're going to need some sort of two pointers. Vars, what our variable is going to be? So we're going to have a word pointer, abbreviation pointer, what is our approach? We're going to have two pointers. We'll check if they match. If the characters match, we increment. If the character and abbreviation is a number, we check if the first digit is a 0. If it is, we return false. Else, we create the number and then skip that many steps in the word pointer. If at any point the characters do not match, we're also going to return false. And if we exit out the loop, we need to ensure that both pointers are at the end of their respective lengths, right? So we're going to need word pointer, word length. Are we assuming that everything is? We're going to assume everything is one case. Here are our steps. So we create our variables. Create our variables. Create a while loop. A while loop is going to break. Create a while loop to iterate over the strings. If the characters match, increment both pointers. If the character and if the character and abbreviation is a digit, we check if it's a 0. And that's going to return false. If not, we're going to create a variable to hold the number. Iterate until we come to a non-digit character. Okay. So if the character is abbreviation, iterate till we come to a non-digit character. Add. Create a variable. Skip to hold the number, all right, and then add skip to word pointer. All right, and then our final thing is so if the characters match, increment. If the character is abbreviation, we go to this logic. If they don't match, return false. And at the end, here we're going to return if both pointers match the length of their words, right? Because if they don't match, then they aren't valid abbreviations. That's going to give us a time of O of n, where n is the length of the word. It could be O of n plus m because we also have to go through abbreviations, but since word is always going to be, is word always going to be bigger than abbreviation? We assume so. Can abbreviations, so let's put that in a clarifying code. Can abbreviations be longer than word? We assume not, right? Where n is the length of the word. Word is always going to be longer, so the length of abbreviation is trivial, and our space is going to be constant. Because all we do is we just have 4 variables that never change. So let's go on and code this up. Now we're going to add our constraints so we don't make a bunch of goofy checks according to the Leetcode logic. Okay, so now we're gonna have to create our variables. So we're going to need int word pointer is equal to 0. Int word length is equal to word.length. Int abbreviation pointer is equal to 0. Int abbreviation length is equal to abbr.length. Right, And now we're going to do a while loop while word pointer is less than word len, and abbreviation pointer is less than abbreviation length. I'm going to do if word that car at word pointer is equal to abbreviation dot car at abbreviation pointer. We're going to increment both pointers. Else if abbreviation dot car can we add the digit check here? Abbreviation.car. So we could do this, right? So abbreviation.car at does not equal 0. If it doesn't equal 0, that means we have a valid skip, right? Because here they match. No, that's not going to work. No, we do character dot is digit car at pointer, and abbreviation car at abbreviation pointer does not equal 0. There we go. So both of these need to be true in order for us to get here. So I'm going to have int skip is equal to 0, while dot len is abbreviation pointer is less than abbreviation length. Now we need to increment as we did before, right? Equals to 0, return false. No, we need this here because we need to return false if it is. Sorry. Okay, so now we have skip. So while abbreviation pointer is less than abbreviation length, and character at digit is so we're going to do skip times equals 10, and then skip we're going to just do a little shorthand for turning a character into a digit. That's going to be car at pointer minus 0, and then abbreviation pointer plus plus. At the end of this, we're going to add word pointer plus equals skip, right? And now we're at the end. So basically, if we're here, that means the characters don't match. We're just going to return false. And then here we're going to do return word pointer is equal to word len, and abbreviation pointer is equal to abbreviation pointer. I mean abbreviation len, right? And then let's go over a quick dry run. So we'll have word pointer word car abbreviation pointer, abbreviation car, result. So word pointer is going to be here. It's going to be 0. So here we're already going to be the length. So we have input word and 12ization. So word pointer, and we're going to have another one to show our false case. So word pointer is equal to word car. So we're in the loop now. We're in the loop. So word pointer is 0. The character is I. Abbreviation pointer is also 0. And that's also going to be I. And result is going to be here we go. Results. Here we go. Continue. Here, word character at 1 is going to be N. Here is going to be 1. And then our character is also going to be 1. That's going to get us to 12. Right, so we're gonna, so not leading 0, skip is equal to 12, word pointer is equal to 13. Abbreviation pointer skips 2, and now it's at 0, 1, 2, 3. All right. So word pointer is now 13. 13. There's I, right? 0 was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now we're at ization. All right, here we go. So 13 is I. This one is also I. Cars match, continue. It's going to be 14. It's going to be Z. 4. Z. Cars match, continue. What's next? 15. It's A. This is 4, right? So that's gonna be, this is gonna be 5. Sorry. This is 4. Not leading 0 again. Skip equals 4. Word pointer equals 19. Abbreviation pointer equals 6. 19. That's going to be end. Well, N. 6 is going to equal to N. Right. Cars match. Loops end. And then now we check if 19 is equal to 19 and 6 is equal to 6, and that's going to return true. All right, and if we were to do this, Word car is A. This is also A. Continue cars match. Pointer is 1. Is P. 1. This is going to be 2. 2, not leading to 0. Skip is now going to equal to 2. Word pointer is going to equal 3. Abbreviation pointer is 0, 1, 2. Alright. And now we're here. 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is equal to, and here we're going to short circuit here. This is L. Oh no, we're gonna break out. No. It's gonna be 2, and it's gonna short circuit here. No match. Return false.